In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can hide the likes and the view count when you post on Instagram. Very easy, guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. For the sake of this example, we have to create a brand new post. Let's click on the lower center of the screen and pick this image over here. Then you click next. Let's put some editing. Let's put some title. Okay, let's tag Ferrari. Make it as usual, guys. You want to make sure everything is as usual. Otherwise, if we skip to the process, you can add music over here. Now, pay very close attention. This is where the magic happens, okay? Right before publishing or click post or share, you want to click on the last option, which is advanced settings. When you click on advanced settings, you will have an option over here, number 2, to simply hide likes and view count. If you turn this on, this will simply hide all the views, all the likes. If you publish a video, it will hide how many people view the video. You're gonna be the only person who will see, okay, this video got 5 views, okay? Or if this video got 5 likes or 5 shares or 5 comments, all these interactions will simply be hidden unless you publish something on Reels. This is very important because Reels, it's always public. Reels is always has to be available for the public. You cannot hide likes and view counts on Reels, or if you do the same function on Facebook, this will not work for Marketplace. But for Instagram, regular videos or regular pictures, you have no problem. You can hide the view count on the regular videos, and you can hide the likes, the comments, the shares, all the interactions on the regular posts. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.